What's up, guys? Moves out the way. Just got back in the house with the Mac Studios for my new setup. I'm gonna take it apart, let y'all have a look at it and see what's it's about. All right. Man, I had to walk through the mall with this box. I was like, man, it's like everybody know what I was walking with. I was like, man, whatever. It's like you trying to get me robbed. Just trying to get me robbed out here. Oh man. Open it up. This is what it look like. What's this? Got this piece up here, which I don't know what this is supposed to be. Oh, a little. What's this? Oh, Mac Studio. Oh, just a layout of, what's in it. I might have to tear this apart. I didn't want to tear it apart, but I think it was just padded, nothing inside of that. Let me take this out. Man, this thing is huge. Yeah. This thing is huge, man. This costs about what, $2,100? $2,100 to get. That's how it is, how it looks. Got this, you can see a reflection in this thing right here. Yeah, got the 4 USB-C, Ethernet, power, 2 USBs, HDMI, headset, power button. This one is 512 SSD storage. Was it 36 RAM? I didn't get it with a lot of storage because I'm gonna use an external SSD with it, because Apple charges you extra for like bullshit memory, really. Where online you can get like a 4 terabyte for like $400, which is great. What else is in the box? Power cable. I like how they package it. It's a great packaging. I know you guys are wondering how can I afford this stuff? Well, my day job, I do cybersecurity. So yeah, I would encourage anyone to go to school to do STEM, something in technology, engineering or math. I think that's everything in the package. It's like, if you look inside, it's like it's so much cushion that protects it. It's just wild. It's crazy. Close it back up. Oh, put this to the side. set this up, show you what it looks like when I put it on here. And that's it. I'm gonna see you guys on the next video where everything is set up. I'm gonna get the apps, test out the speed, because right now I'm running Windows 10, so I was due for an upgrade. It was very hard for me to render videos because my computer is outdated. So this will blow this out the water. Alright guys, I'm gonna check out, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, or what you want me to buy, unbox next, or anything like that. And deuces.